Hello dear students, in this session we will start IC engine. So before starting IC engine, let's understand some basics. What is engine? Engine is a device which transforms the chemical energy of a fuel into thermal energy and uses this thermal energy to produce mechanical work. You can note down, since engine converts thermal energy means heat energy. So because engine is converting heat energy into mechanical work, so it is also called heat engine. Now broadly, heat engine can be classified into two categories. First one is external combustion engine, also known as EC engine, and second one is internal combustion engine, that is IC engine. Now external combustion engine are those engines in which combustion takes place outside the engine. For example, steam engine, or you can say steam turbine. And internal combustion engine are those engines in which combustion takes place inside the engine. For example, all the automobile engines. Now IC engine components. We will study only main components of the IC engine. First one is cylinder. Cylinder, it is a container fitted with piston where the fuel is burnt and power is produced. And second is cylinder head. One end of the cylinder is closed by the means of cylinder head. In cylinder head, there are two valves, inlet valve and exhaust valve. Inlet valve is used for admitting air fuel mixture, and exhaust valve is used for removing the products of combustion. Third component is piston. Piston is reciprocating member inside the cylinder which transmits the energy to the crankshaft through connecting rod. Fourth component, piston rings. Piston rings are used to maintain a pressure tight seal between the piston and the cylinder wall. It also transfers the heat from the piston head to the cylinder walls. Fifth component is connecting rod. It has two ends, big end and small end. One end of the connecting rod is connected to piston through piston pin, while the other end is connected to the crankshaft through crank pin. To the crank through the crank pin. What is crank? This is crank. It is a lever between connecting rod and crankshaft. Seventh component is crankshaft. The function of crankshaft is to transform reciprocating motion into rotary motion. Reciprocating motion is provided in the cylinder by the piston. So it is transforming that reciprocating motion of piston into rotary motion. Eighth component, flywheel. It is a very important component. It is rotating mass used as an energy storing device. What it does, when the energy is producing in the engine, it stores that energy, and when it required, it provides that energy for the continuous rotation of the crankshaft. Now there are some important terminology used in IC engine. First one is cylinder bore. It is denoted by D. It is the nominal inner diameter of the cylinder. Second is piston area, denoted by capital A. It is the area of the circle of a diameter equal to cylinder bore. We can mathematically represent it as pi/4 capital D square. Third is stroke. It is denoted by capital L. It is the nominal distance through which a piston moves between two successive reversals of its direction of motion. Means from up to down or down to up in the cylinder, that is distance traveled by the piston, is called stroke length. Next is displacement volume, or it is also called swept volume, represented by Vs. It is the volume generated by the piston when traveling between two successive reversals of its direction of motion. It means it is the volume generated by the piston when piston moves from one end to another end in the cylinder. So it can be mathematically expressed as capital A into capital L, and capital A is the piston area, capital L is the stroke length. Capital A is pi/4 D square, and stroke length, when we multiply it with stroke length, we get the displacement volume. Next is clearance volume. It is denoted by Vc. It is the volume of the space on the combustion side of the piston at TDC. Actually, they are what is TDC? TDC is top dead center. We have two dead centers in the cylinder. One is called TDC, top dead center. Another is called BDC, bottom dead center. So, clearance volume is the volume of the space on the combustion side of the piston at the top dead center. Second, next is cylinder volume. It is denoted by capital V. It is the total volume of the cylinder. Means it is the summation of clearance volume and the swept volume. Seventh is compression ratio, denoted by small r. It is the ratio of the total volume of the cylinder to the clearance volume. Means Vs plus Vc divided by Vc, or we can also write it as 1 plus Vs upon Vc.